What's going on, guys? It's Danny or Wi-Fi Astronaut back here with another quick video, and today we are going to go over 4 quick wholesale tips that can bring your business to the next level and make you look more presentable and professional when you're talking to sales reps, wholesale, account managers, whoever. These are 4 things you're going to want to have. So let's get right into it. If you don't get anything out of this video today, please take this first tip away. Do this one. Get what's called a DUNS number. Now, this is a company. It's called Dun & Bradstreet. This is essentially your credit score for your business. It is a credit profile when you have accounts such as, Comcast for your internet or other accounts with like net 30 or net 15 terms. Anything where you owe people money, you can request, or a lot of them will automatically request or submit that information to Dun & Bradstreet. It is very important that you have this, and it's usually always optional on applications to wholesalers or distributors. However, it speaks volumes when you have it, and especially when you have a good profile and a good credit profile on Dun & Bradstreet. It is amazing. It works very, very well. So just real quick, let's just look at it. I want to show you guys this. So this is a credit application for a distributor called Advantis, and if you look right here, it says D&B number if registered. It's usually always optional, but it speaks volumes. If you have it, you'll see it as D&B. It might say DUNS, it might say D&B like this. However it's said, it's a DUNS number. Have one, get one. If you don't know how to get one, come right here, go to dnb.com, and you're gonna go to request a DUNS number. And then you go through this whole process, and that's pretty much it for the DUNS number. Like I said, it's something you're going to want to have. It looks great, so make sure you get that. Again, it's free also, so there's no point not to have it. The next tip is volume in everything. Everything you do in wholesale has to be volume in every single aspect. Opening accounts, volume. Calling people, volume. Selling, volume. Buying, volume. Everything needs to be in volume and in large quantities, because for wholesale to work, you have to be doing things in volume. You have to be reaching out to as many people as you're able to, hire people to help you reach out to these sales reps and companies, whether that's VAs or people in the US or whatever country you're in. Hire it out, do things in volume, do it at scale so you can grow, unless you don't want to grow, but ideally you're in this to grow. And the best way to do that is in volume. Looking at UPC lists. Instead of looking at UPC feeds twice a week, look at them once a week. Instead of once a week, look at them twice a week. Figure these things out. Ask your rep how often they update pricing. Look at this list. Then you need to be doing things in volume to be successful. Third tip, pretty specific, kind of random, but have a commercial address if you can. If you use a prep center, make sure they're a commercial address. Just look it up on Google. Potentially re-register your company to a commercial address. Again, it depends on the state and depends where you are. Some of them, like if you wanted to go to like a P.O. box, some states might not let you. Some wholesalers might not accept a P.O. box as a registered address. But make sure you have a commercial address available for shipping, because if a sales rep looks up your house or looks up your address and it's your house or your apartment or wherever, and it's not a warehouse or something, it may not send the best impression, especially if you're coming off talking about how you got a team behind you, employees, DUNS number, all this stuff. It may not look the best if it looks like it's coming out of your house or it's getting shipped to your house. So if you don't have a commercial address, get one. A good resource for that could be a UPS center, although they don't really like accepting incoming packages, although all UPS centers are privately owned, so you can negotiate that with the owner of it. But get a commercial address. It just looks a lot better. And it helps with the kind of the presentation and in the long run. The last tip here, the fourth tip, is get a website. Have some kind of website up. Either if you're doing like electronics like me, I have an online storefront where I have like all the products listed. Now, truthfully, I don't sell anything through there. I just have that just for looks, just to show that I'm also selling online. You're allowed to do it. It's what it is. A lot of people do it. But if you don't have that, I also have another website that just kind of talks about my company and selling on Amazon and why we're a great choice to sell on Amazon. So get a website, put something up, make it look good. Pay someone on $5 or $50, $100 to make it look really, really good for you. These 4 things, a DUNS number, volume, commercial address, and a website will do wonders for your business as long as you're putting in the work. These are just kind of extra things to help you along and give you that extra little nudge and give you that extra edge over your competition. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. That's it. I'm out. See you guys.